Hi everyone, and welcome to the tour of our 4170 that we call Addie. Today we are in Fort Lauderdale, Florida at Yacht Haven Park and Marina. We are getting ready for Brinkley meetup number 3.
Take me to the place where I come from, the only place where I really belong. Take me 'cause this voyage seems so long. Back to you. Ooh. Back to you.
And we thought we would use this beautiful setting to show you the inside of our rig. Now, we're going to be showing you the garage, but the garage is not done yet. So stay tuned for more information on that. Okay, let's go ahead and go inside. Okay, back up, girls. Back up. Stay. Sit. 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 Hi, come on inside. Hi, welcome to Addie, our 4170. And we changed to the 4170 for this living room area. The bedroom and the bathroom are identical to our 3970 Wanda, and they're actually the same as most G series. The difference would be the 4150 and the 4155 that have an additional room on the front. All the rest of the Gs have the same bedroom and bathroom. If you've seen one, you've seen them all. Okay, so let's start out with the mega sofa that Miss Daisy is currently modeling for you. So the mega sofa has 5 seats on it. This tells you why you don't work with dogs. I'm just saying. The mega sofa has 5 seats on it, and it replaces your dinette. If you don't do this option, you would have a 2-seat sofa here, and your dinette would sit to the left. So that doesn't work really well for us. We need a bigger sofa for the dogs because obviously the dogs like being up there with us. And really, we needed a 3-seat sofa, and the option was 2 or 5. So we went with 5. We like it. I will say that eventually it will probably get modified to a 3-seat sofa and a desk over here or something like that. But for now, it's great. It's working great, and it was the right choice for the moment. The 2-seat sofa just wasn't big enough to get Ada and one of us on, so we wanted her to be comfortable with us. You're also going to notice that our seats are covered. We did find covers that are the same color as the caramel sofa, and we found them on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can find those if you need them. But they work super well. They weren't that bad to get on. We have 7 of them because the other sofa is reclining as well, and it doesn't stop them from being able to recline. We really like the new covers that we got. They're working really, really well. The kitchen is why we upgraded. We love this couple coach kitchen setup. We loved it in the 4100 too. We needed that second bathroom in the back when we were in Alaska. We still are going to need it as we're doing things with my dad and my sister this summer. Really right now the only 2 options for us are the 3970 or the 4170. And this layout actually works a little better for us because it's wide open. We've obviously adopted a puppy with Miss Daisy, and our dogs will run around this island at night tackling each other. They would not have been able to do that in our 3970. So yes, it was so we could cook better. We have a lot more cooking space in this, just counter space than we had before. There's some downsides to this. We did install a dishwasher. We had to install it underneath the sink because it's the only place that we could really put it other than where the trash cans are. You can see the EdgeStar dishwasher right here. And in a perfect world, it wouldn't be underneath the sink, but it's also working. So, and we actually have a video on that. We'll put it up here so that you can check it out if you want to, but it works great. We haven't had any problems with it thus far. We have heard some feedback that the EdgeStar isn't working well for everyone. So It may fail, it may not. We'll keep you posted on how it's working for us. The other thing we really, really like about this that we feel is an upgrade from our 3970 is the pantry. When you open the pantry, it doesn't slide out like the 3170 did. We had a lot of problems with our 3970's pantry. We never actually got it working correctly. It was one of the things that was going to be repaired by Brinkley when it went in for its factory refresh, which was scheduled for April. So it's still going to be refreshed by Brinkley before Bristol sells it. Yeah, we never really got that one feature working correctly. The rest of the appliances are all the same. One of the things I really, really like in the upgraded model that we have now is that they have changed what they are putting in as kitchen sinks and bathroom sinks. In our last Brinkley, they were really shiny and hard to keep clean, especially in the bathroom. Now they have like a hexagonal print to them, and they just stay looking nicer. So I don't feel like I'm constantly cleaning the bathroom sink. And I really, really like it. So 2 thumbs up to Brinkley for that change. It's been great. And the reason that we wanted to do the video today was, quite honestly, this view. We have been back here watching porpoises, playing in the water, and actually watching them work on the 2 boats that are behind us. It has been an incredible couple days back here, and we wanted to share it. We are at the we're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, at the Yacht Haven Park and Marina. And it's been incredible. We can't wait to come back again. The Brinkley Meetup number 3 is happening this week at this resort, which is why we came. But we're going to come back again in the future because it is really, really nice. So we set our back deck up, we put our awning out, we have our chairs out so that we can enjoy this in the morning when it's cool. In the afternoon, it's very, very hot out here because this is due west. So the garage is where we work. And right now it is set up for Matt to work back here. Eventually we're going to put desk up on the supports for where our sofas would have been on our Happy Jack. We've taken the sofas out. They're in storage. We don't know when we trade this in if we're going to want to put those back in or not. But for now, they're out. The desks that are going in are actually almost finished and should be finished right after we leave here. We're going back to our friend's house. One of our friends is helping us make them. Thank you, Chris. We love you. And we definitely could not have made this build without him. But this is where we are right now. We're in this temporary, we got to work out of here situation where we don't want to put any money in because we're about to do a total renovation back here. So if you would like to see what we end up doing back here, you're going to need to subscribe to the channel because it's going to be on a future video coming out very soon. Okay. And then we have one little secret that we want to share with you, just so that you don't think everything's always sunny everywhere you go. First of all, if you look up here, you're going to notice our loft is storage, right? And that wouldn't be bad, except for the fact that when we don't have people traveling with us, our back bathroom is storage too. It's a convenient place to grab things real quick and stick things. So we use it as a storage closet until my sister and dad or Matt's mom are with us, and then we clean it out for them and we have places stuff can go. But just for an easy put it away at the end of the day, it makes it really easy for us to put things like the mop away, and then when they're with us, the mop goes underneath the rig. We hope you've liked the tour of Addie and that you like our new 4170. We can't wait to show you more of what we plan to do in the future. And I think for now, it's time for a glass of wine and a sunset.
I've been so many places. I've seen